With marginal, you were with marginal?
No, ICTV. Same place like before.
Working for Tony.
Yeah, now Tony. Rudy retired, you know.
Yeah. Is he retired or he sometimes comes
No,
back?
he has not come back since he retired.
He completely retired. Because I saw Donna.
She's coming?
No, I thought she was working for DSS.
Could be, no, I don't know.
No?
No, I also went to Afghanistan for 1 year and then came back. Yeah, I was 68 years there for 1 year. So, yeah, family they didn't like because you know it's dangerous disease.
But did you get your green card?
Yeah. We got longer. Within 2 months you get it.
That's fine.
So how long you will be here?
Until like end of July.
Oh, you are on home leave now.
Do you see there are so many different objects over there, very strange ones, black ones over there in the sky. Because they go up and down and down. I wonder what they are. Do you see them?
Yeah, I see the small like a balloon type thing.
Yeah, maybe balloons.
So did they replace your windows in the...
Not yet, because we started with 555. We are in 555. But my friend has new windows now, and we like it. I like it, and she likes it too. So looking forward to get it.
Our privatization seems to be not moving forward because now they say that they
But
are
I
proposing
think you're
45% more than Island House.
wow.
It's a lot of money.
But of course, I mean, because your board was not agreeing to initial offer, if you just jump on it, you would. Because each time you delay, it will just increase your cost.
Now we had a meeting and they say that the latest proposal from them is like 45% more than what you guys paid. It's a lot of money.
Because the market seems like it's doing, and they were saving the rebate for 1.3 and 1 million with 1.5 for like million in our building. And your building is better.
Yeah, the whole system.
But the problem is, if you want to sell, it doesn't make sense because 70% of the profit you have to give it to them. But then, you know, if you want to go out, you cannot rent it out. There's a lot of restrictions.
No, we have our board. Everything will be rectified. Don't worry about it. I'm sure. Because now it will be tenants control board. Because since we have a majority of shares, so we could change rules the way we want.
No, they should allow to rent for some time, maybe not for extended period.